The evolution of cars has generated a great deal of well-deserved excitement and hype. Here are the top 5 fastest cars in the world. Is your favorite included? Let me know in the comments. Number 5. Bugatti Bolide. It is a race-ready supercar that debuted in 2020, using titanium and carbon fiber components to reduce weight and increase acceleration and speed. It has a length of 4.7 meters and a weight of 1,450 kilograms. It is powered by an 8-liter W16 engine with 600 horsepower and 1,600 newton-meters of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in 2.1 seconds and has a top speed of more than 500 km per hour. Only 40 vehicles will be built, with delivery starting in 2024 and a price tag of $4.7 million. Number 4. Hennessy Venom F5. It is a high-performance supercar designed and manufactured in the United States. It was designed from the ground up to be the world's fastest production automobile, with a length of 4.6 meters and a weight of 1,360 kilograms. It is powered by a 6.6-liter V8 engine with 1817 horsepower and 1617 newton-meters of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in 2.8 seconds and has a top speed of nearly 484 km per hour. The company will manufacture various chassis models, with prices starting at $1.8 million. Number 3. Koenigsegg Jesko Absolut. It's a Swedish supercar that made its debut in 2019. It has active rear-wheel steering and a spoiler with a downward force of over 1,000 kilos. It is 4.6 meters long and weighs 1,500 kilograms. It has a 5-liter V8 engine with 1,500 newton-meters of torque and can reach a top speed of 483 kilometers per hour in less than 2.6 seconds. Only 125 vehicles will be built, with prices starting at $3 million. Number 2. SSC Tuatara. It is a new super sports car designed in the United States to reduce drag and generate precise downforce at high speeds. It measures 4.6 meters long and weighs 1,247 kilograms. It is powered by a 5.9-liter V8 engine with 1,750 horsepower and 1,818 newton-meters of torque. It can reach speeds of more than 455 kilometers per hour and accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 2.6 seconds. Only 100 machines will be built, each costing $1.9 million. Number 1. Devil 16. Finally, we've come to it, the fastest car of 2022, with almost unheard of power and speed from the Devil 16, a car that seeks to break all current records. The Devil 16 challenges the next speed standard, 350 miles per hour, with a claimed top speed of 347 miles per hour, or 550 plus kilometers per hour. The Devil 16, which debuted years ago, boasts stats that have the automotive world whispering, mystified, as we wait for production. It has a whopping 5,007 horsepower, an 81mm quad-turbo 12.3L V16 engine, and a general, inquire for price, intriguing aura that surrounds it all the time. Thank you for watching, and please give my video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it.